Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we are going to talk about how to install the Maven and the supporting tools like OpenJDK or in a Linux environment. So these are the commands we have to perform that in if you want to install that in operating system like in Linux family. So if you are using as a user data in AWS, then bin bash is required. See bin bash, yeah. sudo su, I'm just converting my EC2 user to root users. sudo yum update minus y, if you want to update that in your OS, then you perform. This is the optionals because it is time consuming and I have a skip it. If you want, then you can do it. That is a better way to take the latest update. If something is there like in vulnerability and OS patching and hardening and all, it will be done by that help of that. sudo yum install wget. We are going to use the wget for downloading the maven zip file. Zip I'm using that in unzip I'm using, yeah. IOM install java 1 java hyphen 1.8.0 openjdk because that is also required. That is not required. Open JDK devel is required and Open JDK as well. Let it be. After that, CD I'm just moving to that in directory opt and sudo wget URL of that in a zip file. With help of that, it will be downloaded into that in opt directory. Sudo unzip. I'm just unzipping that in this file into that in opt directory. Once that in unzip is done, then it will be rm minus rf. It will be go and remove the zip file that is not required because we have a unzip file. After that, I'm setting that in a m2 home directory. So echo, I'm just putting m2 underscore home equals to, I want to use that in double inverted comma in this directory, so I'm just using that in slash for carries return in double inverted comma and then forward slash opt slash apache mav1 3.5 and again double inverted comma one for that in this double inverted comma one another one for these ones, and I'm redirecting that line of code into that in root directed dot base underscore profile file. Similarly for path also I'm adding into that in a base profile. After that I'm putting the export path for base profile. I want to make sure that in my one m2 directory and path is set and export. After that I'm doing that in a source, so base profile with help of that these configurations will be loaded into that in OS level and printing that in my one hyphen version. So this is all about, we'll see that in a actual in theoretical. So let's go and do it. So I'm logging into that in AWS and my name of the user is there in EC2 hyphen users because I'm only doing in cloud. So first thing first, what I have to do, we'll check that need that in Linux system or not. uname minus uname, that's it. So you'll get that in this is the Linux here. After that, I have already copied the same command whatever is there in ppt. So this is the command I'm going to perform it. You can do that in one by one as well, but in bulk I'm just putting that. This command will again use that once we are doing that in automations, yeah. With help of a Jenkins we'll perform this activity. It will take about 1 or 2 minutes hardly. OpenJDK is going on, yeah. All done. And maven hyphen version. So this is the last command we perform it. So with help of that, whatever command we perform, and maven 3.5.4 is installed now, and we can able to do that in whatever you want. Yeah. So this is our target for this lectures, and uh, I'll suggest you to go through that, and do it and follow this command, refer this command, and this ones I'll be uploading to that in extra external resource sections. With help of that, as it is, you can perform it without any issue. But only thing is that if going forward, if you want to change the versions, come and change that in like in 1.9 something so and so forth, and Maven versions as well. And these are the you have to change that in scripts. Most probably I'll update this once, latest versions in going forward as well. But if you want to a specific versions, you can go and you can do it, but you have to check that in compatibility, yeah, which versions of Maven is supporting, and Java as well, because Maven will be work only on basis of Java. If Java is not there, Maven will be not work. So that's all, and thanks for watching.